again. Mentally, you're moving. I'm gonna say why I'm in feet one cause in life. It's all about the journey.
Yama akwaba eba de journey so. Said the monim dada na watch bia yatena sini atwetwe nkomo afa atitiri eni abrempon eso. Na nne yenya yenu abema bi wofia minim se munyina munim no. Ani eye ensroma season 1 ye winner no yenya ne fie ha ne ba betwetwe nkomo eye Adum TV ye wadoye ena Adum TV so ene yenya nsroma enti sei enti ansa na ye beda na di achwe adofo eni ahwefo no yenda aboafo maso masena na watwe bia metimi di dwumadi ebro e Adum TV so eye time here ba mixture hosi malaria de wajo anytime if you give us clean care Spanish garlic and a leaf tomato paste for ena so masena season 5 hi e da so bokwa ye di bro Adum TV so and me guest and a righteous Vandyke ni any between komo e wojumadi so papa akwaba
mommy pacho yena
o ho ayefo
pacho me das o so sa
and so locks no enyi
nyamiadu obi abeni
obi
sino nyamiadu
obi abeni eti unyi. How was the journey with Enstroma season 1?
It was good. I mean Nina started when we were watching Adum TV Kunkumbagia.
Okay.
Yeah, na me paper. So we were watching it and I'm call advert and I'm saying for the maba. So when I came, I don't know what my mother saw. The next morning she just told me to go and bath. Me ko jare ne ko baby. And I'm ko jare. Mama tare she na ya ba kra. Me ante ba ko akra. So dey bia be na ya ba nchen. Ya ba he ya pa. Be bia ote no ho nchen. Nti ya pa won no me ka say be onya baby a person ko chere me and say something like that. And then a man copy can she. And I could you or no. Meaning baby are not pet. Or could be say I must say, oh, why you out? I was confused what was going on. And then any man a copy at a hotel. To me copy when I'm crying a dozen, crumb go on a dozen. Me and Miss say, what is going on? And I said I'm coming to be audition, maybe audition. Oh. And I was like, how, why, what for? And I say, and you too. Mr. Namintonio, me name is Sir. One minute I'm telling you Pentecost. Now I'm shut down and you told me like
really?
Yeah. It wasn't my life, so I went there. You could do a commercial form Sasa. So
wow.
So we should go. My mother cried. She cried and this woman Auntie Eunice. And also me some now name call the one I'm call me on me audition. And to me you know, me by Abontin and Obisa me say, how was it like? And I was like, hey, okay, but I went to school Wednesday. Yeah, I went to school Wednesday. Me no, and I say I don't do for free. And I was like, oh my friend says say my family. And that day we show you. We'll be under of you. Mother was a little bit sad. I don't know. And the reason is what is going on. Say in terms of voting, no. How would things go? Let me see. The bands are not my yeah. And I didn't name to first 30 of my family. In a year 15. 15 and become be. And a year 12. So for now, we 10, 5 finals, Vandyke winner. And then I'm doing. I'm going to share.
After reality show then Enstroma, Eddie na koso ewo what problem?
After Enstroma, no, I've been able to release some songs, Bible programs in Kakra. Yeah, and you know, after Enstroma, the programs, releasing songs and other things like that.
Is the song saying that Odiaba after Owini season 1?
I have 4. Why?
Okay, ubeti mi ama ibi.
Okay. Baby, I'm fancy show. Debbie, obi Abena Ghana ratio. So take your time and rush it. And quadro no Debbie. Me know you forgot say Baba got it. Me be crying, I still say I got it. If you don't say you need umbrella, open so Baba party at here. Hustle hard, pray hard, and you go down Buzanga to Prodo, and you go down Scoopé and Azonto. Baba think of any show if you don't know. When you go turn on and say you don't blow.
You don't blow. Now, voice training, no. I'm not sure that I won't.
Me bacho me training voice. Bacho day.
Are la. Nyanya boy. I don't training voice now. Me dey na fa.
This year now interview me. This year when scan about now interview me. Think I pon can be cry. Ah. It's no e bia
Oh, good. Auntie, about your music video and now say
yeah, my music videos, all the now
we're out.
But
your platform there now will be our show per se or streaming or music.
All digital platforms.
All digital platform.
Yeah,
and our video also YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube. Then what did you name my son?
I have Obra. I have One Day. I have Nyasemshe. And then show
na me here no. So na me here.
Niya mi na ye we yaku. Eshe obo. Ubesi are hu mi tunu mate wusu hu mate eni ko wo mane shewe aji yansho me amade na se shewe akona ko aji yansho ko wo yansho me amade na se shewe akona ko
ase o line na yetete for that kind of enyom why na look up to before crowd obeko nshoma to get that fame as a winner for season 1.
There were many. No more so. 24. Them. Ejako ni mo na nampedu J adofo. Na many penny nete. And maybe I am na mo comfort awupa. Tina live band from Crab Ball.
Okay.
Band me ko jina na me team so. Na her life no.
Her life na did you?
Tino. I wanna me nya. Na penny for no more so.
Now after season 1 as a winner in Stromano, o onyum na ye na utimi nya the stars out there, no, to collaborate with them, or you are yet to?
Yeah, I have one with Pakwesi, the show.
Okay.
And I have another one with Pakwesi, same show. I have one with Famille.
Famille, okay.
Yeah, and I'm coming to release one with Abochi.
Okay, so which one did now we with Famille? You did with Famille. One day. That's the one, the first one.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. And at the end, I only Pakwesi here, you know. And show. And then the one that is yet to be out. And also my Abochi.
Abochi, yes, please.
Okay, and Tiano and Jumbe.
It's actually a love song.
Oh, yeah, I'd love to hear. Hey, you're done your money, do.
Some I haven't experienced them before.
And yes, so crowd, we experience getting me show her. But me make us a what to do on your money. Never say what to 90. Aye, you know the experience it meet.
About what into my freestyle.
Freestyle crazy something.
And your max, get set. Baby, come, you they come first. From my heart, non-contest. Baby, jump. Girl, I they crunch on you. Your love, they blow my mind, though.
My mind, though. My mind, though.
Be fine.
Be I fine, dada. 80 after Enstromano, na Oko school. And now no Ujai school, or still you are in school?
I just completed UHS, mature BC.
Okay.
This year. Last year, rather.
Last year.
Yeah, you know. Enstromano me call before and after now.
Now go school, but now before me and all that. So how was the feeling? Orini and Stroma season 1 or school for teachers? I mean, the family.
It was good. I mean, me go school. Those people that I thought say I'm from in Kazan because of where I was coming from, my background. Yeah. When I won Enstroma, they were like, "Is a big boy? Can I be your friend and other things?" When your girlfriends in house.
Oh.
So it was good. Yeah.
And you believe it's a film a good thing?
Sometimes I believe.
Why sometimes?
Because how can a boy like me now wake me up for like 12 a.m. say me go baby? I'll be to say me ada.
Okay.
Because I'm just thinking like how one kwanka. Yeah. So sometimes it's some way be.
It's some way be, and the feeling is good.
Yeah, it's perfect.
To be a star. What have been your achievements so far? Winning Enstroma season 1.
Now I've won some couple of awards.
Okay.
I have 9 or so.
Okay.
I've met in Penny for
Bebre.
Samini J Adolfo. Me Penny for Bebre. So
okay.
Enstroma, I mean those are my achievements. We do be but
wow.
Nyame
Juma. It's reality show say Penny be share. Would you advise our parents to send the younger ones to go and compete for such reality shows?
My mother always say that back then we not they were like school education, not talent, no said that anyway. So I understand sending that's but I'll tell them that if your kid have talent, say talent in woman, you're supporting her with your best, whatever you have.
Everything.
And that person will make you proud. And I can say that because I make my mom proud. So
okay, so Vandyke
proud there.
I'm making him mommy proud and you try your home and quadrin crowd or your bar is still the journey.
Audio Jungle.
Ya koji nkwarto aba oguswa ehwede gini ewo Adum TV so ene me guest no eye season 1 of Instruma Fame the Orini ye Vandyke ene ye ne chichi nkomo ewo dwumadi so. Righteous, you mentioned say na onye uni interest bia ewo music na o ma me de okoye. Iti na no how is the feeling like because osa ontonyom ena ma force o do akọ competition o akọ rene. Do you still, I mean, how now all of a sudden, or switch it to get that interest? Because me who say a passion, or be party and no follow. The idea won't pay ya force the show many day then, and as I see, I did was so much
Not me. I didn't know anything about music. Like what is music?
Okay.
And say my so I think my meaning who I am, and what I can be in future, and so. I think on any buy, you know, or for same, but now dear me who say,
oh wow,
music is. I say, well, yeah, dear, paper and listen to your account.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is music, and I have the passion for it, and it's actually good.
It's now no o paper and katuya so mo.
Actually,
yeah. You move the on.
Kakra.
Patrolling. Eh, you say you move the papa director. Director, me na nyum no match there.
How about you be?
Bra, you say they are in the end of the home bedroom. YouTube is canko and you ever coins in a kakra. Ain't growing up no? How was your journey like? I probably to say before the young is to say everybody seeing the brighter side of it. I mean, lights no before the lights no. How was it?
Where I'm coming from no. Not a way let me say, it got to time and I never be crown.
I'm a prayer.
Yeah, no, yeah, me go up. I didn't see money, yeah. I want to say one day I go school about I homework go and the baby other. That's all.
That's all.
No.
I mean, I understand.
Sometimes it's not difficult. A difficult mind say baby sometimes. So when I see people saying say about so Charlie, when you mancha the banchi way with you pa no anya easy o.
Banchi na ya na yam good day. When the bomb woman na you know my chimako.
And can be anka ho.
Banchi ne sa o. Anya hu nya nchine go ho.
Me come chere.
Oh, it's a nice food. Me enjoy banchi ni so I know the feeling.
So that's it.
And so were you just alone with your mother and now say now papa wo ho? How is the family? Do you have siblings?
Yeah.
How was it? Yeah.
We are 3. I'm the eldest.
Oh, okay.
I grew up in a family house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now my quarantine. I grew up in a family house. Now my name is auntie Nate.
Okay.
To me auntie na no share me. I don't know why Ofia crab before me bounce. How? Why?
How? Because your mother and now almost no money me a Dutch in it.
Yeah.
The omu ye who be.
Yeah.
A hand to do who yan and never rainia. What it is. So you always have to be grateful to mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, yeah, that's it. Fast forward. Also, koba and kophobia na omumfa when you shake. Can I be your friend? Can I be your friend? And then okay, girlfriends be woman. And no, I'm very interested in that part.
Like saying na baby na me want na me go school dressing crowd forget it. So there's some people are not who me somewhere they see me like different person.
Okay.
And I girlfriend so I say like a down for bar and I can say
a down for bar.
Yeah, I didn't say lovers. So
now only lovers po. Me put them maybe
some crampo.
What was a contradict so?
Maybe
some
maybe so be can.
Oh. Once one viewers in this row.
Oh.
Because what kind of girlfriend I was interested in that school for no.
Yeah.
Was sometimes school you neglect you. But the moment say baby everybody is trying to get close. Oh, and wow.
Maybe me so be can.
What is so be can?
I'm a fast learner.
Aside music, what do you want to do? Lawyer. And what started the process to be a lawyer?
My mom is one, so the books in the I am ready.
Okay. And you free her not just say pursue, not just say law firm na and a woko. But have you thought of it? Can you combine the law and music?
Yeah, I can.
You can.
I can try.
You can try.
There's
always a first time.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you can say, we started music. Yeah, you said you've had 9 awards, other recognition. Yeah, you know, Obia approach you from outside Ghana that they want you to come in, either parties, either programs, event, whatever it is. Have you gotten any approach since winning season 1 in Stroma?
Yeah, I've been to Arizona before.
Okay.
Yeah, quite a program before, but recently my mother was telling me something about program before UK. So
UK, okay.
I'm hoping to know Bana.
I know Bana. Wako blow. Na performance na so de. Yeah, na easy. Yeah, I watched one recently. No more awards been open for me.
Yeah, I remember.
Wakai won. So I follow Niama. Now Bogumusa. I mean, you've been doing well. Why are you? Why?
Thank you so much.
Why are they? But Emma will refuse. Lord, you're easy. It is my master dominating the duty too much. Master dominating the duty too much, and we know you can do better. But before I go for a break, you know, Nanampa do name penny for no. Now to Munjumbi or program na so. Any of a match they do Nanampa do a Numbia a legend ninjumbia tona ye fanko break.
Okay. Asanto mi akebi mamio. Mi uchi mi ayabo mio. Asanto mi akebi mamio. Mi uchi mi ayabo mio. Odofu pe so bebo mia. Eni you yem na bo me. Anyo bibi ni obi wate. Woni pani bibi ni e wa ye nu iye. Eni asanto mi. Na me uchi mi so ayabo mio.
I sent to me, I gave you that. Young Jim Cross on your bar. You ever told you my dear so? Audio Jungle. Yakoji and Krato aba Oguswa the Jenny Awww TV so and let me guess a Righteous Vandyke our winning in Stroma season 1 and the Yetchin Como Ewufia. Righteous. Yeah, Babe Corner and Bofra Omofi. I mean, what will you tell them with your journey to win season 1 in Stromano? And then I'll be catching and Bofra will feel person yes. I
can't tell you won't be something, but me can't stand same way. If you want to become like me, 1, pray.
Okay.
Be prayerful. 2, listen to your parents. 3, books, education. Talent to the academia, no Charlie.
And boy.
It's some way be. And 4, rehearsal. These 4 things. And one. With these 4 things, you can make everything possible. Okay, ubeyi achadi bako amame. Na yatwas batch of amame. The truth alone. Okay, so. Okay, do you believe in prophecies? Yes, I do.
Really?
Yes, I do.
But mama, didn't OG prophecy?
I was brought up in a Christian home.
Okay.
And I believe in spiritual things.
You believe in spiritual things?
Yes, please.
Have you had any encounter of a spiritual aspect? Not
really, but I believe in spiritual things.
You believe in spiritual things?
From what I see and what I heard.
What you heard?
I pray a lot. I don't sleep.
So prophecies, what?
I believe in prophecies.
And I work here now.
Yeah,
okay, so people should believe in prophecies.
Yes, please.
Okay. Vandyke so only the OG prophecy didn't the fear. Now also I believe in prophecy. Yeah, that was Sister OG Bray heard you media Awww TV so and then me guest a Righteous Vandyke near the Chichin Como a winner for Stroma season 1 and the Chichin Como the Jenny so meaning so wa fee when he agin was de said ya meti hine miso mesunya de pa ansa na me call me fast da ma boa for masomazina na what you be a betimi de media bro Awww TV a time herbal mixture was malaria de where you are the time give us clean care and a lip tomato paste, Spanish garlic for and a summer sing and a betimi jumadi a bro and a dio shemiatare ages dazzle betimi from 0545141123 asembako and a debiame catro misinyami woma ebeye midin Eddie Abena Ghana bronga half for this year mechia munina.
Take this life, cha-cha. Make you know the rush, make you know the fear. Cause when you